The Finnish smartphone maker HMD Global has launched its new feature phone in the European market as Nokia 123 Shield, with dust and water resistance for enhanced durability. Now, let's explore the specifications of this phone. The Nokia 123 Shield features a 2.4-inch QVGA resolution display at the front, and on the rear, it has a single QVGA camera with LED flash. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni-SoC SC6531E chipset, paired with 4 MB of RAM and 4 MB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 32 GB via microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a removable 1,750 mAh battery that is said to offer up to 19 days of standby time and 27.9 hours of talk time. On the software front, the handset runs on S30 plus OS on the top. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 2G FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this phone measures at 132.7 by 57 by 15 millimeters, and it weighs around 108 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this phone. The Nokia 123 Shield has been listed to price in Greece around €39, and it is available for purchase in the country in green and purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Nokia 123 Shield 2G feature phone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.